Imagine a world where your daily work routine is not dictated by a 9 to 5 schedule, but by an artificial intelligence system. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a reality that we are fast approaching. Welcome to the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we commonly know it, is a game changer. It's a technological revolution that is poised to redefine the way we work, live, and interact. But what does this mean for our jobs? Picture this: AI taking over mundane tasks, freeing up our time to focus on creative, strategic, and more meaningful aspects of work. It's a future where our natural intelligence is complemented by artificial intelligence, creating a synergy that could drive unprecedented productivity. But it's not all rosy. There's a flip side to this coin, a future where AI systems become so advanced that they replace human jobs, causing disarray and job displacement. It's a fear that many of us harbor as we stand on the threshold of this AI revolution. This revolution is not a distant dream. Prominent tech leaders like OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman have voiced their thoughts on this. They foresee a significant shift in the workforce, a societal re-evaluation of how people spend their time. Some jobs may become obsolete, while new ones could emerge, ones that we can't even fathom right now. However, Altman also warns that these changes may not benefit everyone equally. Certain individuals could bear the brunt of this shift, facing job loss and economic hardship. It's a stark reminder that while the AI revolution promises exciting possibilities, it also presents significant challenges that we must navigate carefully. As we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, it's time to explore what it means for our jobs. It's time to understand, adapt, and prepare for a future that will be unlike anything we've ever known. Because ready or not, the AI revolution is here, and it's transforming the very essence of having a job. With the advent of AI, the job landscape is poised for unprecedented changes. The rise of artificial intelligence is not just a wave, but a seismic shift that will redefine the contours of our professional lives. Just as the Industrial Revolution displaced many manual jobs, the AI revolution may potentially make certain professions obsolete. Think of jobs that involve routine tasks, those that can be easily automated. Data entry clerks, telemarketers, even truck drivers could see their roles significantly changed or even eliminated. But it's not all doom and gloom. With change comes opportunity. AI is set to create new roles that we can't even envision yet. Jobs that merge human creativity and empathic understanding with AI's computational power. The future could see us working alongside AI in roles that harness our uniquely human skills. Yet, this shift will require us to learn new skills. We'll need to become fluent in technology, comfortable with data, and adept at working with artificial intelligence. It's a call to action for lifelong learning, but it's not just about the jobs, it's about society at large. When AI takes over certain tasks, what happens to the people whose jobs are affected? How do we ensure that the benefits of AI are evenly distributed? These are questions that we, as a society, will need to grapple with, and it's not just about work, but about time. As AI takes on more of our work, it will change how we spend our time. Will we have more time for creativity, for leisure, for human connection, or will we simply find new kinds of work to fill our time? As AI reshapes our jobs, it also calls for a re-evaluation of how we spend our time. The AI revolution is here, and it's changing everything. This is not a time to fear, but a time to adapt, to learn, and to shape the future we want to see. Not everyone will be on the winning side of the AI revolution. A stark reality, but one we must face as we delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence. It's a world of stark contrasts where the winners win big and the losers face an uphill battle. The winners in the AI revolution are those who can harness its power, the tech giants, the innovators, the developers. They're the ones who understand the language of algorithms, who can tap into the vast potential of machine learning. They'll ride the wave of AI, using it to drive efficiencies, to innovate, to transform industries. They stand on the brink of a new era, ready to reap the rewards of their foresight and adaptability. But in the shadows of this bright new future, there's a flip side. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has spoken of the potential losers in the AI revolution. These are the individuals whose jobs may be replaced by automation, whose skills may be rendered obsolete. They're the ones who may find themselves on the outside looking in as the world of work changes in ways we can't yet fully predict. The disparity between these winners and losers is a reflection of the broader societal shift that AI represents. It's the paradox of progress. While AI has the potential to bring about unprecedented levels of prosperity, it could also usher in a new era of inequality. The benefits of AI are not distributed evenly across society, and certain individuals may find themselves disproportionately impacted. There's no denying the transformative power of artificial intelligence. But as we stand on the cusp of this brave new world, we must ask ourselves who will benefit, who will be left behind, and most importantly, how can we ensure that the AI revolution is a rising tide that lifts all boats rather than one that leaves some stranded on the shore? In the AI era, having a job will never be the same, but by acknowledging the potential winners and losers of this revolution, we can begin to shape a future where everyone has the opportunity to win. So, how do we prepare for this AI-driven future? We're at the precipice of a new era, a transformative period where the rules of the game are being rewritten by artificial intelligence. But rather than fear this change, we should embrace and prepare for it. Firstly, we must understand the importance of lifelong learning. As AI continues to evolve and disrupt traditional job roles, our ability to learn and adapt becomes crucial. We must commit to continually expanding our knowledge, staying on top of emerging trends and technologies in our respective fields. This continuous learning journey, coupled with a proactive mindset, can help us stay relevant in the AI era. Next, let's talk about adaptability. The AI revolution will undoubtedly bring about significant changes, some of which may be unpredictable. The ability to adapt, to change our course when needed, is vital. Embracing change, being flexible, and having the willingness to step out of our comfort zones will set us up for success in this dynamic landscape. Lastly, we must foster creativity. While AI can analyze data and make predictions, it lacks the human ability to think outside the box, to innovate and to create. Our creative abilities, our capacity for original thought, these are the things that AI cannot replicate. In the AI era, these uniquely human traits will be more valuable than ever. Preparation for the AI era isn't just about learning to code or understanding the intricacies of machine learning. It's about developing a mindset of continuous learning, adaptability, and creativity. It's about understanding that the future of work will be different, but that doesn't mean it's something to fear. Instead, it's an exciting opportunity to redefine what it means to work, to contribute, and to create value. As we prepare for the AI era, we must remember that our greatest strength lies in our uniquely human abilities. As we navigate the AI revolution, let's stay informed and prepared. The future is unfolding right before our eyes, and the only way to thrive in it is to understand it. The world of work is transforming, and it's up to us to adapt. Artificial intelligence is not just a tech buzzword, it's a reality that is reshaping our societies, our economies, and our jobs. This doesn't have to be a cause for alarm. Instead, let's see it as a call to action, a call to embrace learning, to be curious, and to stay ahead of the curve. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we understand about AI, the better equipped we are to navigate the changes it brings. This journey of understanding AI and its implications isn't one to be taken alone. It's a collective effort, a shared adventure. That's where this platform comes in. Here we delve into the world of AI, dissecting its complexities, exploring its potentials, and demystifying its implications for jobs. So let's continue on this journey together. Let's keep the conversation going. Let's equip ourselves with the knowledge needed to navigate the AI era. And remember, change is not something to fear, but to understand, to adapt, and to leverage for our benefit. Being part of this community means you're one step ahead. So let's keep that momentum going. If you've found value in this content, if it sparked curiosity or provided insights, then join us, be part of the conversation, contribute to the collective understanding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notifications bell. It's a small action on your part, but it goes a long way in helping this community grow and ensuring you don't miss out on future content. Thanks, and see you in the next video.